In Georgia now, the state's top epidemiologist says the current Delta surge has caused more than 100 recent outbreaks in schools since July the 4th. News4Jax reporter Brittany Muller finds out cases, hospitalizations, and deaths among Georgia kids have reached their highest levels during the current surge of the pandemic.
According to Georgia's top epidemiologist, 60% of the total COVID-19 cases are happening here inside the classroom, where the rate of transmission is high. Both Ware and Glynn counties have seen recent outbreaks. A 240% increase of COVID among kids since July. Georgia students are at the center of the current surge.
The magnitude of this, of the number of cases here in this age group among school children, is very significant.
Georgia's top epidemiologist, Sherry Dresnick, says 60% of all new cases in the state are now in schools. After 1 week back, Ware schools closed all of its 11 schools because of the sharp increase in cases. Schools reopened their doors last Tuesday. The system is reporting 23 positive cases and 18 are in quarantine. Students in Glynn County are back in the classroom after 2 weeks of virtual school and a jump in cases. Students returned back to in-person learning on Monday with a mask requirement. Currently, Glynn schools have 112 positive cases. Camden schools required masks when classes began last month and has not had to close or switch to virtual learning. The district is reporting 64 positive cases among students and staff, with 74 in quarantine.
Last year, we lost only one child to the flu. We usually lose 100 to 200 children due to the flu infection. Why did that happen? Because of the steps we took to prevent COVID, which was masking, providing hybrid teaching and learning situations, keeping, away from large gatherings.
Dr. Mohammed Reza, an infectious disease specialist, says whenever you have people in close quarters with doors and windows closed for a long period of time, this virus will spread.
Are you hopeful that things could change in schools once a vaccine is approved for school-age children?
It will totally change how we combat this virus because we know how effective those vaccines are.
According to state data, only 45% of Georgians are fully vaccinated, which is much lower than the national average. Brittany Muller, Channel 4, the local station.